Rich here from Richcraft Performance, coming to you with a handy little tip where when you're tearing down an engine and you think you might want to reuse the old cam and lifters out of it, but you're not quite sure yet, and you need a lifter tray. I use just a simple old spade bit, just slightly bigger than the lifters. Mark it out on an old 2x4, and if you drill it on a hard surface, like the back deck of my service truck here, I'll just show you one. When it hits the hard surface, that tip stops going. So all you get is a little tiny hole out of the bottom. And now you got a spot to put your lifters. If you decide that you want to keep them, want to store it for longer, I'll make a second one, spaced out exactly the same. Put it over top, couple of zap straps. You can label the outside. It's a great little handy tip. It's another one of those free tips that, you know, can make your life a lot easier than trying to, I've seen people try to use egg cartons and other things like that. This works. They don't fall out. They don't go anywhere. It's one of my favorites. If you like this kind of video, press like and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.